Hi, are your tuition classes closed because of COVID-19? Are you anxious because of the home learning system? I'm Sai from ImproMaths, where we improve mathematics. The COVID-19 scare has brought most of the things in our life to a grinding halt. Tuition centers are one of them. Even the tutors who come to your house may have to stop their operations. On top of that, due to the new circuit breaker measures, the schools are shifting to home-based learning. I know exactly how you must be feeling right now. I have an experience of more than 6,000 plus hours of teaching mathematics to across various curriculums and variety of students. I offer both face-to-face and online classes. However, due to the COVID-19 situation, I have shifted all my classes to an online format. I understand you might be worried that online classes may not be as effective, but technology combined with my experience make them as effective as face-to-face training. All you have to do is just click on the link and you will be connected to ImproMaths. On your screen will appear a virtual classroom where we can see each other and talk to each other. Also, there will be a whiteboard available. Whatever I write on it will appear in front of you in real time. This application helps me to share documents and PDFs with you. The operation is seamless and it's free for students. Due to past few years of online teaching, I can gauge from a student's face whether they have understood the concept. I just ask them key questions and lead them to right answers. At ImproMaths, the class size is limited. This helps me to pay enough attention to each and every student. I encourage as many questions as possible. I believe that asking your doubts then and there helps you to learn the subject properly and be comfortable about it. I have started a few batches in last 2 or 3 weeks. Check in the descriptions for the more details about the batches. Also, few more batches will be starting in July 2020. Call on the number to get more details about that. Like this video, subscribe to our page and like our Facebook page for more exciting details. Till then, stay safe, take care and thank you. Bye-bye.